What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So Baba looked like it was going to be going towards the downside because it broke outside of its yellow range. Right here on Friday, it was trading right around that high 60. Measure move target of the range was targeting right around the low 60s, right around the 63, 62. So that was the target, but again, targets aren't always met, and you can clearly see that after price could not continue down lower, it immediately reversed. It was basically a failed breakout just to trap shorts, and then we saw a large move up higher. So where are we going now? Well, we could also look at a measure move towards the top side. So if the range break, if you see a range break, it can sometimes double it. So if it doubles it on the top side, the same distance or the same thickness as the original range, that would take Baba up to the 84.64. So right now it is looking bullish because we saw the bears unable to reach that target, and we saw a large move up higher by the bulls. So all this is just basically one leg up. So again, as long as we don't crash back down, to the low 70s, this looks pretty good for higher prices. So we can go a little bit more higher towards the high 70s. That's where the resistance is at. Right now we're finding some temporary resistance off of this long-term downward trend line, but again, trend lines don't always hold forever either. So again, this looks promising for the bulls. Things can change in a matter of an instant, where at one point it looks like it wants to continue down lower, and then all of a sudden price just immediately reverses back inside that yellow range. So basically you can consider a range this strong as kind of like a black hole. Every time price tries to break out in the bottom or the top, it just immediately sucks prices back inside this range. So this is where price likes to stay for the most part. So we're back in the range. I don't think we're going to break out again because we just saw the failure. So there's a good chance that the bulls will attempt to try to break out on the top side. So I'll be looking for higher prices in the coming days and weeks as of right now. Now, can we just crash back down like this? Again, that's the less likely situation. The most likely situation is price stabilizing here, or we're just pulling back slightly for further upside. So that's what I'm looking at for Baba in the coming days and weeks. And let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's a look at the weekly chart. We were very close towards its all-time lows, consolidating at this lower price level. Saw a large green candle this week. Most likely it's going to close bullish. And again, we could probably see a measure move up. So all of this is one leg up right here. All of this could be deemed the correction. And the second leg up is targeting right around the 79.93. So the $80 level, and then potentially the 84. So overall, Baba looks bullish in the short term. But again, it's I would say overall in the short term it's bullish, but overall in the terms of long term, it's not looking that bullish because we're still below this orange range. You can see that this was prior support right here, support here, support here. Price failed out on the bottom, came back in, hit the top, support, support, support. Now we're staying below it and finding resistance. So we're basically just doing a pullback in a downtrend. So you know how what happens in pullbacks and downtrends, that leads to more downside. So you can see that every time we get like two legs up, this is one leg up right here, second leg up, price continued down lower in this downtrend. So this is one leg up right here, pullback, second leg up, collapsed. Same thing right here. We had one leg up, pullback, second leg up, basically collapsed. So you see two legs of correction normally. So this is one leg up, pullback, second leg up, and then we could see that collapse take place. So again, Baba looking like it wants to push up at least in the short term, but overall in the grand scheme of things, this is not that much. We were just literally at $75 back here in January, and we just trade sideways for the past 3-4 months already. So again, that's all I see for Bob on the daily weekly charts, and most likely I'll give you guys an update next week Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.